If you're into crypto in 2026, buying, selling, using tokens, earning yield, or building portfolios, you've probably come across a ton of crypto cards claiming they're the best way to spend your digital assets. One of the newer names gaining attention is Redotpay Crypto Card. But questions keep popping up like, is Redotpay better than the competition? Does it actually make spending crypto easy? And most importantly, is it worth trying this year? Today, we're taking a real look so you can decide for yourself. First off, what is the Redotpay Crypto Card? At its core, it's a payment card that lets you spend your cryptocurrency wherever cards are accepted. Online, in stores, and even for subscriptions. It works by converting your crypto into fiat at the point of sale, so merchants don't have to accept crypto directly. It functions similarly to other crypto cards you may have heard of. But Redotpay claims to offer some unique perks and flexibility. Starting with supported assets, Redotpay allows you to link multiple cryptocurrencies to the card. That means you're not limited to just Bitcoin or Ethereum depending on the platform's integrations. You can usually load stablecoins, altcoins, and sometimes tokens from popular networks. When you make a purchase, the system automatically selects which asset to convert, or lets you choose manually before checkout. This kind of flexibility is handy if you want to spend less volatile assets for everyday use while saving more speculative holdings. One of the biggest selling points Redotpay pushes in 2026 is low conversion fees. Many crypto cards charge high fees when converting crypto to fiat, eating into your balance before you even spend it. Redotpay advertises more competitive FX rates and conversion costs, which can make a noticeable difference if you're spending crypto frequently. How much you save depends on the assets you hold and the market conditions. But lower fees are always a plus. Another feature that attracts users is rewards. Instead of traditional cashback, Redotpay often offers crypto rewards, a percentage of your spending returned in tokens. The value of these rewards can vary because token prices fluctuate. But for people bullish on crypto, getting rewarded in crypto can feel more appealing than fixed fiat rewards. Just keep in mind that the real value of those rewards depends entirely on where the market goes after you receive them. Security is also worth talking about. Redotpay uses multi-factor authentication and wallet segregation to protect user funds, and transactions are typically monitored for suspicious activity. This doesn't make it immune to risk, but it does align with what top crypto platforms are offering today. Now let's talk about usability. In 2026, ease of use is everything. Redotpay's app interface is clean and intuitive. You can load your card, manage balances, view transaction history, lock or freeze the card, and switch which wallet you're spending from with just a few taps. It doesn't require deep blockchain knowledge to use, which is important if you want to spend crypto without headaches. Of course, nothing is perfect. One of the trade-offs with any crypto card is liquidity and speed. Because transactions require on-the-fly conversion, you may see slight delays compared to fiat-only cards. It's usually a second or two, but it's something to be aware of if you're used to instant payments. Another potential downside is regional availability. Crypto cards vary widely in what countries they support, what regulatory requirements they must follow, and what features are enabled based on local laws. Before signing up, make sure Redotpay's full feature set is available where you live, especially rewards, withdrawal limits, and supported tokens. So is the Redotpay Crypto Card the best crypto card in 2026? The honest answer is, it's one of the most competitive options, especially if you want multi-asset support, low conversion fees, and crypto rewards. If you're a regular spender and prefer flexibility over manual conversion workflows, it's definitely worth trying. But if you're someone who prioritizes ultra-low fees, legacy banking perks, or deep bank account integrations, some traditional crypto cards from more established platforms may still edge it out in specific areas. In short, Redotpay is not a magic bullet that instantly makes you rich, but as a tool for everyday crypto spending and rewards, it's definitely a strong contender for 2026. If this review helped you decide whether Redotpay fits your financial style, leave a like, subscribe for more honest crypto and fintech reviews, and tell me in the comments what matters most to you in a crypto card: rewards, fees, or flexibility. I'll see you in the next one.